Jarifam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a new video, another episode. But before I get into the video, hope everyone is doing well, everyone is enjoying this video. I have tried to create this monochromatic makeup look. I am sure you guys must have been aware about or monochromatic makeup. Basically, it's nothing but keeping your eyes, blush, lips all in the same tone, same shade category. And I realized I have not done such a look on my channel, and I was like, you know what, I need to do it. So here it is. If you want to know the final results, please watch till the end. And by the way, it is going to be again a simple look to achieve, because you guys know I'm all about creating a simple look so that you guys can achieve it, because I know a lot of people find it difficult when, you know, there's a lot of products and lot of makeup and lot of techniques. So that's why I always try and keep it very simple for you guys. So yeah, that's it. And if you're someone new over here, welcome. My name is Kritika Jariwala, and if you're someone old who's been watching me, then welcome back again. And yeah, let's get into the video. And that's it, let's get into the video. I always say this, that start off with the skin prep. That is the most important thing. So again, I am also starting off with my moisturizer first, because don't put makeup on bare skin. You need some skin prep, you need some layer for your base to stick, for your skin to be hydrated. So yeah, base. So now that my skin is hydrated, I would go ahead with my primer. I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetic primer. I'm sure you must have watched it many times by now. This is a silicone based primer and I like using this. So I'm gonna take a very little, only on my cheeks, nose. Now whatever is remaining, just that will go on my T-zone. Okay, let's not forget to hydrate our lips as well. So I'm gonna use Baby Lips. Love it. So always, this is one tip I can give, that when you do your makeup, also hydrate your lips in the beginning. So at the end, when it's time for lipstick, you know, your lips are soft, and hence the lipstick application will also be smooth rather than directly going you know, with your lipstick on your dry chappy lips. So this is one tip. So now that my skin is nicely hydrated, I am gonna jump straight into my foundation. I'm gonna use K-Beauty, again a cult product. You must have seen me using this many times. I'm gonna take just one pump of foundation. I feel even one pump is more than me. I feel my face is very small, so I don't need a lot of foundation.
Don't go very harsh with your brush, because no, it's your skin. It's very gentle.
My concealer, I'm gonna use my absolute favorite Swiss Beauty concealer. Also, if you people are looking out for a very affordable skin like concealer, it just gives you that coverage but still doesn't look very cakey on your skin, then this Swiss Beauty concealer is for you. And it's the most dewy concealer as well. Like, it doesn't leave my under eye or, you know, my T-zone looking dry. In fact, and back in the days, I feel monochromatic look was such a vibe. Every other person used to create monochromatic makeup looks, and I think till date it is a vibe. I really like the way your entire face just looks one shade, and it gives so much of evenness on our skin. What's remaining now will go on my eyelid. So that's what I'm doing. The same concealer, I am just gonna take the brush and apply it all over my eyelid so that it just gives a little bit of coverage. My PAC translucent powder. You guys know by now this is the only translucent powder I own. and I love it. So I'm gonna take these powder puffs. I have spoken about them as well a lot. They are very easily available on Amazon, so check it out. I'll leave the links on my Instagram, so please check out my Instagram, Kritika Jariwala Jarifam. I'll also leave the handle link somewhere over here. I put all of my product links over there as well as in my description box, so you can check out anywhere. But I'm gonna take my Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Again, very affordable and easily available eyeshadow palette, and apply it all over my crease. Going towards inner corner, the corner of the crease, and then slowly going inside. A lot of product is placed on the outer corner so that it gives that darkness, and then going inside just so that it looks natural and seamless. Very honest, it's not like one day, you know, you'll wake up and you'll be like, I'm gonna slay my eyes today. But no, it's gonna take a lot of time and lots of practice. Trust me, I've been doing this since years now, and that's where somewhere I've gotten here in this situation. But it's a lot of practice, and anything in life takes a lot of practice. So it's never going to be like one day. No, you gotta practice it every single day. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my eyeliner. I'm gonna take a very thin brush like this. I am going to take my liner, going to pick up the product on my brush, and I'm gonna apply my liner. Can you believe in just 2 steps we created this nice eyes? I'm gonna use my K Beauty blush in the shade Floaty Nude. I really like this blush. So the days where I want corally and peachy vibes, not pink vibe, this is the blush I gravitate towards, and then start dabbing. This way I feel I get a very good control of blush, and it is not all over the place. I'm gonna use my Sugar Pop blush again. I have spoken about these blushes in my previous video, so check it out. Applying it, because you guys know I'm crazy for blush. I really like colorful face than a very blank face. Lighter, I'm gonna use this Super Dewy liquid drops from Makeup Revolution. Take very little. This much. This is what is required. You don't need a lot with this product as well. Again, just taking my finger and dabbing it over here, dabbing it over here. Just gonna top it off with my Maybelline Luminizer lighter and apply it like this. Now comes the last step of the video, that is lipstick, and I have a perfect lipstick for you guys. That is Maybelline Sensational Lipstick. Again, I feel I have spoken about this in my previous testing my drugstore products or first impressions. I've done that review. Check out that video. Told you right, it's gonna bring the entire look together. This is my final look which I created. This is the monochromatic look effect I was talking about, and as you guys saw in the entire video, it is so easy to create. You can definitely go ahead and add on some lashes, do your brows properly, but I wanted to keep it very simple and natural and easy, hence I skipped those parts. But you can definitely go ahead and do it, and you can create this same monochromatic looks using any undertone. It can be browns, it can be peach, it can be coral, pink, anything you have. And yeah, that's it. This is my final outcome result. Hope you guys really liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel, and I will continue seeing you. Until then, bye, take care.